I have this 12-inch pizza pan that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by painting it with Wise Owl white primer, and I'm going to give it 2 coats. Once dry, I'm going to take my Wise Owl 1-hour enamel. I'm going to make sure I give a nice good coverage at the bottom of this pan. I'm going to try to make it a little thicker than I would if I was doing a top coat, as this is going to be my glue. I'm taking these floral beads that I picked up also at, I believe, either the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. And I did start with a pattern of the blue and the white. Around the first couple layers, and then I switched to green and white. And then the center, I went back to blue and white. And did the best I can right to the center. This is now dry. Everything's glued quite nicely. And now I'm taking pre-mixed white grout. And I'm just using a spackle knife to push it between all the beads. And once I filled in all the areas, you kind of go back and scrape off the excess. And then I took a paper towel, and actually I needed a lot of paper towels, and I just kept rubbing until you saw the tips of the beads and they were pretty clear and clean. And I set that aside to dry. I found this Lazy Susan at Target for like $3. It's in that section in the beginning. And I'm using wood glue. I'm going around all this raised area. And I'm going to place my pizza pan on top. Make sure it's centered and allow that to dry. Once dry, I'm going to now top coat it with the 1-hour enamel clear, and I'm going to give it 2 coats. And now you have this really cute tray. You could either use it for a plant stand, or you could actually use it as a Lazy Susan. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.